Hi, this is Snorri from Extreme Aviation Iceland. I'm going to tell you about the flight we did to the north of Iceland to Akureyri in two yaks. Me and Ingólfur Jónsson were flying the Yak 52, and Mattias Sveinbjörnsson and his son Sveinbjörn were flying the Yak 18T. Beautiful landscapes there. You can see Eiríksjökull, and you can see Kerlingarfjöll. We did the flight together over the highlands of Iceland. This flight is only about an hour 15 minutes in the Yak 52, cruising at around 125 knots. There is Ingólfur Jónsson, who was piloting command this leg. In the north we flew in Hörgárdalur. There you can see the Yak 18T. This is Hraundrangi and Drangafjall. And we're flying over the town of Akureyri in a nice formation. Ingólfur is holding it steady. I met a guy in a swimming pool in Akureyri. He was sitting in the hot tub and he said, really nice seeing the yaks come over with the sound and everything. A little bit of wake turbulence there. And there we're coming in for a landing. Ingólfur is doing the landing. Like we say in Iceland, strong hand on the controls. And there we are on the ramp, getting some fuel, some avgas fuel. Ingólfur smiling there, and Mattias getting fuel on the 18T. There he is with his son Sveinbjörn. And the day after we had this air show in Akureyri. There's Kristjánsson, the local aerobatic pilot, with Sigurður Ásgeirsson in the yellow pits. And the Icelandair 757 cargo plane flew all the way to the north to participate in the air show. And there's the 757 doing a very modest and responsible low pass or a slow pass at 500 feet. I did not have the patience to follow it through. There you can see Sigurður Ásgeirsson in his Super Puma helicopter dropping a car from 500 feet. Impressive. And we did air show in the Yak 18T and the Yak 52. There's pictures Andrés Þórarinsson took of me doing the air show. The smoke on. The weather was nice and beautiful flying there. Nice photos. There is Sigurður Ásgeirsson flying his pits, yellow pits. And there is Sigurður and Guðjón the baker doing a formation. And that's the trip. 2 days in Akureyri, meeting people and doing some flying. On the way back we had some low clouds over the highlands, but strong hand on the controls. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment on this video.